So check out my new longboard skateboard. It's super cute. That's a high quality paint. I've already been all over the place in this and you can tell it's holding up really well. I've never skateboarded before, so this is a really good board for beginners because I just started and I feel like it's really durable and easy to learn, and it also moves really well. This is really sturdy. There's 8 layers here. You can see kind of the individual layers. There's 8 layers of high quality Canadian maple wood going on here. Like I said, this side is really high quality paint, and then on this side you have your sandpaper, which makes it waterproof. And it's also like anti-slip, so you stay on there really well. It supports up to like 550 pounds, I think. So it's really safe and it's really good for a lot of different people, whether you're an adult or a kid, a beginner or an experienced skateboarder. This is gonna be a really good choice for you. These are really nice, awesome wheels. They are great for any surface. You can kind of see outside. I've been doing it on my sidewalk, which is just a normal sidewalk, but sometimes I go on the road and it transitions really smoothly from, you know, maybe like a coarser sidewalk to a really smooth road. Really easily, you can skateboard on all sorts of different surfaces, and you can see these wheels light up when you go, so they are super fun. And I think it adds a little element of safety too, for if you are outside at night, it just kind of makes you extra visible. These are really high quality supports here, and they also, like when you are on the board, they just adjust with your body, so you can turn really easily. Like when you're taking those turns, they are really flexible but yet strong, so you know that first of all, it's easy for beginners to do and stay balanced on, but it's also just safer for everyone, and it's gonna be really easy for you to get up there and skateboard, learn something new, get some fresh air. It's super fun. I've really enjoyed it. I think this is a good board for beginners, kids, anyone that wants to take up skateboarding. I think this is a good choice.